Learn how to use code formatting and embed JavaScript in your Canva website. Start by opening the app's sidebar and searching for Code Format. Choose the Code Format app from the results to access built-in code styling tools and open it to start formatting your code. Next, search again in the Apps panel, this time for Dynamic Codes, to explore more ways to manage your code snippets within Canva. Select the one that fits your needs. Now open the Code Format panel and select or paste your JavaScript snippet, preparing it for design integration. You can also quickly search for references or examples if needed. Click into the code input box and paste or type your JavaScript. Then adjust the theme to match your style, such as choosing Atom 1 Light for clear syntax highlighting. Select your code language, like Java, to set the right formatting. When you're ready, add the formatted snippet directly to your Canva design. To enhance your page, select and edit text elements like your headline, and open the File menu to manage or export your project as needed. Consider exploring more app options, including code image generators or searching for embed tools for deeper integrations. Use the app's search for embed and select it as your final tool. Open the Embed app panel and focus the input to paste a website link, or select YouTube if you want to embed dynamic content directly into your Canva site. You've just learned how to add and style JavaScript in Canva. Now your site is more interactive.